Hi guys, many people asking how to install RGB, how to connect the power supply, what's the how many watts and how many volts. All just going to explain simply. Okay, this is the full set RGB 3528 model. Okay, this is a control box and this is a 44 key remote control. This LED strip 3528 model, many other models in RGB. Whenever you buy, before you purchase, you have to look which model you prefer, because many people looking in YouTube say RGB many type 3528, 2853, 5050, 50 non-waterproof and waterproof, many other models in the market. Okay, this is one of the model 3528. Okay, how the strip inside you can see. Normally this one is a 10-meter full set. Okay, each roll standard 5 meters. Okay, I just keep it here, one roll. The control box here, I just open up the control box. How the control box and remote, the menu here can read fully. This is the power adapter. The power adapter, sometimes they can see 12 volt 1A, 1A, 2A, 3A can use, nothing worry, until 5A, depend on which LED you're using. So follow up the control box, we will giving which one necessarily. Okay, this one is the 12 volt 1A. Okay, I'm just going to plug into the plug board. Okay, make sure you switch off before you install. You can see here pin, straightly push fully in. After that, this one cannot make bend and bend. Just make sure make straight. Here you can see, all inside the soldering. Okay, you cannot make totally 90-degree bend la this la that, so make sure make straight. Okay, whenever you connect, you can see the arrows, two arrow here, the arrow to arrow. If you opposite arrow means there no light, sometimes have chance to spoil the light. Okay, must before you connect, you have to check the two arrows. Okay, you connect two arrows, make sure that they got 4 holes, just straightly go in 4 holes. If 4 holes cannot go in, you can slightly push back to this cover and push in all the way inside, then you cover back this protection cover only. Okay, this is the way install this for sensor, remote sensor. Okay, this part you can make it bend, but only this part and this part make sure when you install cannot make bend. If you make bend, more chances to spoil the LED. Sometimes this green color come out, red not come out, red come out, green not come out, because inside the soldering come out. People don't know, many people buy and install after say no green, no red, no blue. The chances is here. Now I cannot open here, but inside you can see the solderings. This is the double side gum tape. You can see here got 2 layer. One layer you remove. There's already this 3M gum tape, very sticky, very strong. Okay, it's like this. Before you install, you must install the control box proper way. Okay, use the control box using 3M tape or maybe other tape, wherever whatever you just make sure don't move sticky. So I'm using some 3M tape. Okay, stick properly onto wall. After this, you have to install straight away to the wall. This part all you cannot make bend, make sure make straight. After this, you can make it bend, slightly bend, but until this part is the most important. Okay, make sure make straight only. You cannot make bend like this and like this. That you always, but when you install, sometimes more chances to spoil the soldering lah. Make sure you slowly slightly bend about. After this, wherever you can make bend, even 90 degree, you can make it 90 degree like this, but you cannot slightly push bend and this. But you cannot bend to back. You can bend to in front. Okay, front you can bend, back cannot bend. Back you bend, the small solderings have chance to come out. Sometimes they miss the light, all this. Okay, now already installed. For this sample unit, make sure make straight. These two parts. Okay, the control box already stick onto wall properly. These two part is main important thing. After this, no worry, nothing to worry. Okay, so how the lightings I just show you. Many people asking all the remote got many colors, right? You asking all the colors inside or not? So many questions. Main thing I'm telling, RGB means red and green and blue. Other all is a combination colors. Okay, how to the combination colors I just show you. Simply the LED here, okay, now start to use. Okay, this is the red, green, blue, is blue. Now already red and green, blue, RGB, done. Now it's come to combination colors. So all the lights on off is white. Okay, other all now blinking many colors, many those and this and that. But overall colors is room colors is okay, fine. But this all called combination colors. This all running lights. You can see all blinking la, quick la, this that. But don't think this 3528 model is coming accurate color. Only the main colors is red, green, blue. Other all is combination color. Thank you for watching.